to another episode, Cooking with Chef Ed. Today I'm very excited to share with you one of the greatest cuisine of America, New Orleans food, which is called Creole food. Creole food is a combination of African, French, American, and other nationalities such as Haiti. It's a great blend of spices, herbs, flavor, and that's what we're talking about. Because when you deal with Chef Ed just cook with flavor. So now we're gonna go to the ingredients. We're gonna be doing pork loin, and again, there's a big difference between pork tenderloins and pork loin. Pork tenderloins, they become like the filet mignon of the beef. So I cook it with pork tenderloins. This is a pork tenderloin that I cut in 4 pieces. Basically, I cut it for 1 inch and a quarter. I have tomato sauce that comes in a can. You can use any basic tomato sauce. We have roasted pepper, we got cilantro, we have a Cajun spice, scallion, potato steak, we have tomatoes, onion, peppers, corn, and beef broth, and last but not least, bacon. So, we're gonna start cooking with you guys. We're also gonna be using a red wine for the sauce. So let's get ready and let's go cook with Chef Ed. Okay, so we're gonna start sauteing the pork tenderloin. Like I always have mentioned to you guys, always have a hot pan. If you see this already smoking, I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I don't need too much olive oil because basically I want to sear the flavor of the pork tenderloin. So if you see, that is just fine and dandy. So I'm gonna grab my pork tenderloin. If you hear it sizzling, all right. Basically right here, what we're looking for is basically, let me just rip it up like that, okay? We want to sear the meat. I always have mentioned to you in all my videos, the searing the meat is basically what it does is concentrate on the flavor inside, not outside. If you drop this in the cold oil, basically what it's going to do is kind of a boil and release all the flavor. So we really want a very, very hot pan. Just be careful, make sure you have your fan on, okay? Otherwise you're gonna create a volcano. You don't want that in your home, okay? So basically here, if you see, and by the way, I forgot to tell you, we have seasoned our pork loin with Cajun spice. We season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, everything if you see here, okay? So basically what we want is that color. Look at this, that color, all right? Always give them a little waggle like that. You see, beautiful. That's what we're looking for, okay? At this point right here, if I flip, you see, all the juices from your meat is seared inside the piece of meat. As you see, it's nothing in the pan because you want to sear the meat. I already flipped them, but I want you to see, this is what we're looking for. You see, that's searing from the meat, okay? At this point, we're gonna start doing the sauce. So I'm gonna remove this out of here so I can have a little bit of room so we can start dropping all the ingredients that we're supposed to drop. At this point, you see that leaving like a little bit of fond. That's what we call in the professional business. It's basically the steak and the fat from everything here. Right now and then, we're gonna be dropping some bacon. Because of the pork loin do not have that much fat, I'm adding a little bit of fat. And why else you add perhaps a little bit of bacon or pork fat? At this point, I'm going to add my onions. And it doesn't matter, that bacon's going to cook, okay? I'm adding my peppers, my garlic, okay, my tomatoes. And I do this very quickly because the pan is very hot. Basically, I want to cook everything together, nice and neat, okay? We're serving this, by the way, with mashed potato and corn. And you're going to see how excited it's going to be, this presentation. At this point here, I want to add some black pepper. I always mention to you that I like to use fresh black pepper, okay? And then we're going to be doing right here, you see? That's nice and sauteed. Now I mentioned to you that I have some wine, okay? We're gonna add a little bit of wine here. And we wanna reduce that wine, okay? Right here, I'm gonna be adding my beef broth. Why am I adding beef broth? Because I wanna have a sauce. So I need some type of liquid. And the wine is not enough because I want to reduce that wine. Now if you see nice and chunky, those vegetables, by the way, you don't have to wilt it completely. You want to leave them a little bit of bite. So that's basically it. At this point right here, these have to boil. And I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add the spice, which is Cajun spice. Alright. We're going to add the scallion. Okay. We're going to add the cilantro. And last but not least, we're going to add the tomato sauce. At this point, you're going to let this cook approximately, I will say, 10 minutes. Because you want to have a nice, healthy, nice, thick, if you see it's too watery, sauce. But at this point, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drop the meat because the meat is raw. The meat is completely raw. By the way, you don't have to eat pork well done anymore. Pork these days is an excellent meat. Excellent, excellent meat. And it's very safe, okay? So right here then, I'm gonna let it cook for another, I will say 15 minutes. And 7 to 8 minutes, just flip the meat, okay? And then we're gonna come over and see how it come out. So, let's serve the food now, okay? So basically what we want to do is to put a little mashed potato here. And again, you can do anything you like. You like mashed potato, you like roasted potato, whatever you like, it's fine. So I'm going to put this over here. And then we're going to drop the pork loin. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay? And right there, you can put the sauce. Okay? You can put the sauce like this. And if you like, you can go around like that. Okay? And if you go around like that, let's have a pattern. Because right now and then, you can decor it. We have some corn here. Alright. You can do like this. Very colorful. Beautiful. That's what we're looking for. Alright. And then we have some potato stick here. This is basically what it does. It gives them a little bit of crunchiness. There we go. Beautiful. Here we go. Pork loin Creole style. The final product is here. Pork tenderloin Creole style. I did some mashed potato, corn for garnish, fried potato stick, and you can have a very perfect combination with Zinfandel or any white Chardonnay. So, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give them a like, and share with your friends. My intention is for you to cook at home, especially in these days that we're living. You still can have fun. You still can enjoy a great meal. So, let's taste the dish. Beautiful, nice and juicy. A little bit of everything. Delicious. Enjoy it. Thank you and God bless. See you soon.